We were getting many questions in our past conversations that, I have done certified Scrum Master class. I want to work as a Scrum Master, but I'm not getting an opportunity. I don't know how the real Scrum works. And whatever I have learned in the certified Scrum Master is something is not getting asked in the interviews, or I'm not even getting the interview call. So looking at these feedbacks, and then we work with some of our customers to support them to get ready. We have been doing that activity for around 1 year now. Ad hocly, we are working with at least 4 or 5 customers every month. Now, after working with them, after accumulating experience, seeing that they get success, they get placed as a Scrum Master, we came up with a program. We call it Industry Enabled Scrum Master, which is a competency building program where we have designed the curriculum to support or to match a typical profile of a Scrum Master in the industry, rather than what is expected from a Scrum Master from Scrum Alliance area. Yeah. So that is something we have designed. And in case if you are also going through that particular kind of challenge where you want to explore that, okay, I have understood Scrum, but I'm lacking the hands-on experience, and that hands-on experience or the hands-on terminologies and tools knowledge is blocking me from getting the right job, then you can consider enrolling to our Industry Enabled Scrum Master program. It's a competency building program. At the same time, you do earn PDUs and SUs in case you are needing them to renew your current programs or certification. So it's something like formally we are launching it now, but we have been doing it informally for a while. So if something resonates with you, you may want to try that out in our upcoming week program. So we are running that starting, I think, first week of the June. Yeah.